with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Okay.
82 for the daytime high, 56 was our low for the day. You can see the averages of 75 and 55, so a little bit above average, especially for that daytime high, 7 degrees above average. We haven't gotten any rain here at the TV station yet, but there is rain on the radar moving in. We're holding at 1.41 inches so far for the month of May. The Wabash River in Terre Haute, with a lack of rain, continues to fall slowly. Right now, it's at about 8.5 feet. So what are we tracking? Well, some showers early tonight. Those will end. Cooler tomorrow, about 10 degrees cooler, but a very nice start to the weekend. Very pleasant overall. Warmest weather of the year. I see it coming next week. We've been telling you all along as we get closer to the holiday weekend. The next weekend, it's going to warm up. It's going to be the warmest weather we've seen so far this year, it looks like. Terre Haute right now, we're at 80 degrees up there. The winds are southwest, but about to change to the northwest. Once the winds change over, we're going to see the temperature start to drop off, and you can see that where it's 80 in Terre Haute. But they've seen the winds change over and some rain up here in Paris, where it's down to 67, 65 up there in the Champaign area. But, you know, to the south, we're still warm. So there's a front making its way in. You can see that very clearly on our temperature map. And there's moisture. It's not a ton of moisture, but there's some moisture with this front as it moves in. And that's why, one, we've seen some cloud cover. And we're looking at some rain. Now, this isn't a whole lot of rain. It's not going to be a ton of rain, but there's at least some rain moving into the area. Imagine the front slipping in from the north and sliding down into the area. We're seeing a little more development here in the last hour or two on the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar. Just west and northwest of the Terre Haute area. We'll take you in for a closer look up here. You get across our northern counties, Park County, Vermilion County, places like that. It's fairly light, but there's some rain up there. A little bit heavier back off to the west of the Terre Haute area. You get over here near Marshall and Casey, south of Charleston and up by Paris. This is moving northeast, so in the Terre Haute area, just about to get some rain moving in there. And then down to the southwest of there, we continue with more showers down towards Effingham and Flora, Illinois. Again, no big storms, maybe a little lightning here or there, couple thunderstorms, but it's mostly just some rain as it moves into the area. And here's what it looks like now. Again, that line making its way off to the northeast. So with that movement, we'll see most everybody pick up at least a little rain. There could be some pockets where you get a little heavier rain, but overall, it's not going to be anything way heavy. The timing on that, it's all gone by tomorrow morning. So here we are tomorrow morning early, say 6, 7 o'clock. Not only is the rain gone, the clouds are out of here, and we'll be looking at a really good day. The temperatures will be a little lower. The sunshine will be there, but it may be a little hazy yet from some of the smoke from the fires in Canada, but still good. And Sunday looks good. A lot of sunshine. I mean, it's a real good weekend, except for the fact we could use some rain. It's shaping up to be a very nice weekend. Rainfall, again, it's not going to be a huge amount. You can see some of these areas maybe approach a half of an inch, but that's probably going to be about the most I would see out of this. After that, it's dry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is all of next week. Don't really see anything happening here at all. And with the dry weather, kind of been taking you a little bit farther on our longer range model. So this is a week from today. And again, this goes all the way out through the holiday weekend. Look at that, all the way out through Monday, Memorial Day. Just really don't see any more rain moving into the area, so it's going to stay dry. It's going to stay warm. This is May 27 to June 2, above normal temperatures, but below normal on rainfall. Forecast looks like this for tonight, then showers for a while. They'll gradually taper off from the northwest to the southeast. 52, maybe a couple storms, but we're not looking for severe weather. Then tomorrow, good day, sunny. It will be cooler, but very nice. Daytime high of 73. And then after that, well, it's going to warm up. We've got plenty of 80s for you. Dry weather as well. Warmest weather of the year next week. We could be in the upper 80s by the end of next week. That's your forecast. Sports is coming up next.